This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restore mouse pointer settings back to default in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To restore your mouse pointer settings back to default, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to the little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. And I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then on the center pane, you want to go down toward the bottom, down to where it says Mouse, and click on Mouse. Then on this page, down toward the very bottom under Related Settings, you want to click on Additional Mouse Settings. Additional Mouse Settings. That will open up a little dialog box, and in this little dialog box here, these tabs across the top, you want to click on Pointers. And then down below here, you can choose a customized pointer, and down below that, it says Use Default. You would click on Use Default. Then after you click on Use Default, you would go down to the bottom, click on Apply, and then you would click on OK. That is how to restore your default pointer settings in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.